Hello guys, welcome to Elconics. In my previous video we have done a project based on Lora van. In that project I have used Lora module to send data from slave to master. But many people have told me that Lora module is too costly for schools and colleges project. And yes, if you are making schools and colleges project, if you are planning to make 2 or 3 nodes, Lora module will cost you handsome amount of money. So in this video I am going to tell you how you can establish such kind of network without using Lora module, without any Wi-Fi, without any Bluetooth. Yes, you heard it right, without any internet. We are going to implement this network only with ESP32. So as we all know, every Wi-Fi module or a device has its MAC address. So by using that MAC address, we are going to communicate to ESP32. So your first question will be how to get that MAC address. So here is Arduino code. Just upload this code and get your ESP32 MAC address. First you have to take 2 ESP32. One will be work as a receiver and another will be work as a transmitter. Take receiver one and upload this MAC address code, so you will get your receiver MAC address. All this code is well organized in Elconics website. Link is in description. Press the reset button on ESP32 and here is your MAC address code. Copy this MAC address, paste it somewhere. You will require it later. For now I am saving this on my notepad. Now open another code for sending data from one ESP to another ESP. Put this MAC address here. In this code we formed one structure. Structure is basically group of different data types and we will send this structure in one packet form to other ESP, which is receiver in this case. Now upload the code for receiving. Here in our code I have used OLED just to see the data over there. Connection and schematic is like this. So this one is our receiver and this one is our sender. Sender is sending data packet to this receiver. In receiver we will also insert one OLED just to get the data. We'll power this receiver with power bank. So now data is coming. First one is random value and second one is float tap random value.